All right. Hi, my name is Jeremy.
Hi, my name's Abhi. What's up, guys? So we decided to make a calculator app. It's called Calculator Application, and it's basically for simple use of any type of function that you're trying to solve for: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But the reason we kind of made a simple calculator per se is because even in our school, there are a lot of classes where you utilize like a simple calculator because you want to do work that's computing by hand, so you understand it, yet you need the division feature or whatever it may be to calculate big numbers. So we thought that would be really useful.
Right. So how our calculator works is, like any other, simple calculator. So if you do, for example, 8 plus 3, that should give you 11. If you want to multiply it, by 5, that'll give you 55. Let's say you want to add 14 to it again. Right. So
And you can add, the nice thing is that you can add or subtract or anything numbers that are bigger than, they can be single digits, double digits, triple digits. It doesn't matter. You can multiply them as well.
So you want to do like 100 times 100, or well, I accidentally did plus, but if you want to do like 100 times 100, sorry, it's a little laggy.
There you go.
It'll give you 10,000. And like the special feature of our calculator is a speak button right here. So I guess it's easier if we just, press and show.
10,000.0.
Right. So if you press this button, there will be a voice command from this app, and it'll like say the number. So if you want to say the word 8, you press the button, right? Times 9.
9.
And the nice thing about the speak thing is that it won't just say numbers like Siri will, for example. Like it'll go like 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. It'll say numbers up to like, septillion, octillion, all of these. So it's a pretty good feature.
So I guess to how our app actually works. So
yeah, first we could show like the buttons. This is basically how we did the layout of the buttons and the app itself. So we start from the bottom. We added like the speak button last because we had decided to implement that. We did obviously equals, divide, all the buttons that you see on the side, and the numbers. And to kind of do that, we wrapped the buttons around each other because it would be easier than necessarily giving each button a margin on the screen. But for some, obviously, we had to even out the buttons in that way.
So to the back end of this code here, as you can see, we initialized all these buttons from the 0 button to like the speak button. We have here like more buttons, and then these are like the methods for button 1, button 2, button 3, etc. Button 9, button 0, and then these are the add, subtract, multiply, and divide functions. And this is equals. So as you can see here, for when you add two numbers, if we made these Boolean variables called addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so if they're true, then you add these two floats. If subtract is true, you subtract them, and yada yada. And then right, so these are like decimal. This is our clear button. So like if you press clear, it just like sets the screen to like an empty string. So this is our text-to-speech method or function that we made. So up top, I initialized a variable of text-to-speech type, and I named it this. And so basically, you could set like whatever language you want. So I did English here for obvious reasons, but you could set Chinese, Italian, French, like French Canadian, Korean. You could set it to whatever. And so with this text-to-speech, there's like a speak method. So I call the speak method here. And yeah, every time you press a speak button, the calculator will, say the number that's on the screen. So
yeah, I guess that's it. I mean, thanks for watching, guys. Really fun project to work on. Shout out Jeff. Shout out the CA. Shout out the TAs, the CDs. Love all you.
All right. Till next time, boys.
Peace.